Jehovah, there is none like you. Nobody. I said nobody. Hi guys, it's your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I am sharing with you how to make this delicious meat bread or meat packet. So let's go. So to begin with, I am going to mix my ingredients just like I did for my butter bread. So please check up there. I have the link to my butter bread recipe, okay? So over here we are mixing the ingredients and then we arrive at the bread dough. Okay, so I set it aside and then I am making my filling. So in a skillet I add my oil, onions, and then saute it so the onion is translucent. Then I add my mixed veggies. You know I love mixed veggies, okay? Then I add my extra canned beef. You can choose to use any meat of your choice, okay? So I add some curry powder and a little seasoning, some salt to taste, and then I mix for it to incorporate into each other, okay? Also, I add some cornstarch to make it juicy and moist. Please note, family, I will be listing all the ingredients in the description box, so you check it out, okay? So at this point, we are kneading and rolling to get the shape of the meat bread. Then we add our filling to it, okay? So you can choose to make any shape of your choice, either this one and then the round one, okay? So at this point, we add our beef filling to it. So gently roll it and then we seal it with egg wash. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for the massive support. It's a doing of the Lord and it is so marvelous in my eyes. I really appreciate you guys. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified, okay? So afterwards, we allow it to rest for about 3 hours before baking. So over here, I am egg washing it, which is optional. You can choose to omit it, but I wanted that brownie color, okay? And ta-da! Our delicious meat bread or meat packet is ready. So I'm just spreading some butter on it for it to be glossy and delicious, okay? I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, and please subscribe so we grow, okay? Just look at this. I couldn't wait but finish 2 loaves right after baking. Family, you need to try this, okay? And the family, they are gonna love it, okay? So join me. Let's enjoy some meat bread or meat packet. I love you guys. Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye bye.